All right, guys, doing Michael Bublé today. Call Me Irresponsible. If you listen to this on YouTube, it's the version that he's doing live with the orchestra, and really cool. I think it's the best version. And here we go. All right, so this is the part one that I do. All the lessons for this are on webpianoteacher.com. If you're a member, you can download the sheets for this and zoom in and still have high resolution like I do here. Really cool. But this is a jazzy arrangement, and I do the piano parts when I hear them, and if I don't hear piano, I'll do the guitar part that's in there, but I kind of combine the whole little orchestra there, and or a little ensemble. It's not an orchestra, a little band, and made an arrangement that works on piano. That's what's so wonderful about our instrument, especially this Kawai MP11 SE that I have in the studio. I'm using the concert grand sound because it has a more depth to the tone, and it will allow me to have the expression I want to have in the exposed parts on the right hand licks. So, and it has good bass line too. It's a good deep bass for bass parts. So I transcribe the bass part there, right? I don't just play what the piano's doing. We combine everything else. So let's start with that. F A. Okay, here's middle C, the next C down. I will say real quick, if you are a beginner or you're just jumping in and you haven't had beginner lessons, guy, you really need those beginner lessons. I have those on the website, WPT University, at the top of the page on our website. Click that, take you to the Easy Piano Lesson Series. Give you very basic lessons. Okay, to work up to something like this. F A. All right. So that's the fretless bass playing that. 5-1. 1-5 on my fingering. F A, and then A sharp, B natural, C, D, D sharp, E. So 1-5, 3-2, 1-2, 3-1. Did I do that wrong? 1-5, 3-2, 1. C to D. 3-2 on the D sharp, E with a 1. Give you a little hint to play fretless bass parts on the piano. Put a little bit of a space, a little bit of a lift, because when they're playing the bass, they have to have that little split second to move their hand to the next place. Da, da, da. That little lift they have, because the instrument from one note to the next is so far that they have to move that left hand. They have to mute the string just for a split second to get to the next note. So that little space. See how that sounds more like the bass than this does? They can't connect all those notes. They have to have a little space, so put a little space. There you go. Then we have... Okay, so here are our chords. F, add 6. So F chord, adding the 6th of the chords, 1, 3, 5, and then that's the 6. Throwing a D in there. And then the next one's is a D minor 7, D, F, A, C. Just showing you the chords for those of you who want to know what the chords are. D minor, C is the 7. So we have F add 6, D minor 7, G minor 7, G, B flat, D, F. There's the G there part, there's the 7. And then, beautiful chord. It's a C chord. What do we got in there? We've got a C, we've got a B flat, that makes it a 7th. We've got a D as well. And also an A, so that gives us, there's 7, 9, 11, 13. So a C13. Is it beautiful? B flat, D, E, A. So C13 there. So to play it here, A, C, D, F, left hand on an F. I'm going to do an F octave on the left hand. Just kind of vamp for 2 counts. 1, 2, but not loud. Those spaces in jazz are so important. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Count 3 will be a D octave. I'm not going to do it down here. That's too low, I think. Yeah. So, now, count 4 is a blues thing. It's a lot of times jazzy chords and then just a little hint of blues stuff makes it really nice. Not too much, you know. It's not straight blues. Just a few blues right hand licks. G sharp and C together with 2 and 5. Flip to A, F on your thumb. Brum bum. Simply exposed. Okay, and then so left hand G, right hand G, B flat D F. 1 and 2. And then B flat D E A. Sometimes I'll put a chord on the downbeat of a chord or the first of a chord because we just need it. The guitar that's playing is covering that, and we gotta have it. If you're in the band, you got your guitar player. You don't have to do that. You can just do this. But if the piano is by itself, then I need a chord there. So I'm gonna do B flat D E A 1 2 3 5, and then go to E A C and staccato. The move is not that far, so don't freak out and get scared and miss it because you think it's so fast. It's not that fast. Da-da. And then it's 2 times, so we repeat it. 1 2 3. Okay, let's do it all. 1. Take a shot to do that high one. Ha, made it. Okay, there's your part 1. If you liked what we did right here, man, that's just the beginning of the song. Think how much fun you'll have on all the rest of it. See you guys on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.